Are you ready, Will? All set. Here she goes.
The Waterloo Boy. This early two-cylinder Model R had a single-speed transmission and pulled a two-bottom plow. John Deere engineers immediately made substantial improvements, and a new Waterloo Boy was soon introduced.
Here is the new John Deere tractor, Model D.
Thousands were sold, and mechanized farming became a reality. The Model D, a name that was soon to be the talk of the country.
So I'd like to take a few moments to tell you about the new John Deere Models A and B tractor. Now, the wheel tread can be fully adjusted for all jobs.
Here were tractors that were adaptable to crops grown in various row widths.
Here they are, modernly styled, clean cut, pleasing in appearance, and better than ever before.
John Deere has another new tractor to show you.
You'll agree that it's a good-looking tractor. A tractor anyone would be proud to own.
It's the new Model M.
These quick-catch implements, combined with the touch-o-matic control, provide a new conception of modern farming. Here are tractors that step up earning power on farms of every size and type. John Deere again made tractor history with the introduction of power steering
For quick, easy turns at the end of the field.
You bet power steering makes a difference.
It's almost as easy to handle as your automobile. Really modern equipment.
All new 1010 with 35 horsepower. Well, what do you know?
Power is here. A new generation of power.
Protection from overturns started with an idea pioneered by John Deere and given to the whole industry.
You're going to make life a whole lot easier.
It's called a roll guard. You're a farmer, already up and headed for work while most folks are still sound asleep. Heat, air conditioning, dust filtration, because you're important to us and even more important to your family.
Nothing runs like a Deere.
John Deere riding mower?
Feeling the power of all 18 horses.
John Deere, they're built to last.
Quality and variety of John Deere. Plow the average garden in just 4.5 seconds.
John Deere Research and Engineering Center in Waterloo, Iowa.
Bringing you news about new opportunity machines and equipment.
Designed specifically to meet farming requirements. John Deere.
a name that was soon to be the talk of the country.
Good work and long life in the toughest conditions.
The one and only tractor.
A tractor anyone would be proud to own.
Will give the farmer everything he wants.
You got one tractor that'll do the whole job.
Strong and long-lasting. Making life easier, happier, and more profitable.
John Deere again made tractor history.
An even more powerful tractor than ever before.
Track-type power with a big future.